HCL Technologies quietly led gains with a breakout and a bullish crossover. Data from NSE. In the next 6 minutes, you'll know who moved, why, and levels to watch tomorrow. NIFTY closed at 23,123 rupees 65, up 0.68% from a previous close of 22,968 rupees 25. The index opened weaker at 22,838 rupees 7, recovered through the session to a high of 23,153 rupees 85, and held above a low of 22,719 rupees 3. On the bigger picture, NIFTY sits 12.2% below its 52-week high of 26,373 rupees 2 and comfortably above the 52-week low of 21,743 rupees 65. Technically, the market is mixed. The 14-day RSI is 49.9, which is neutral and not signaling extended strength or weakness. Short-term trend indicators are mildly cautious. EMA9 at 22,957 rupees is below EMA20 at 23,367 rupees, indicating a short-term bearish tilt despite today's gain. Volume today registered at the typical range, volume 0 the 20-day average in the feed, so there wasn't abnormal panic or euphoria. Immediate resistance to watch is 23,465 rupees, and support sits near 22,955 rupees. In plain terms, the index bounced, but HCLTECH cleared the shorter-term moving average hurdle, so follow sector leaders for conviction. We'll start with the strongest among them. HCL Technologies opened at 1391 rupees 0 and moved up to close at 1441 rupees 6, a gain of 2.73% from a previous close of 1403 rupees 3. Intraday range was 1388 rupees 1 to 1446 rupees 5. Curiosity. The jump wasn't just a gap. The stock actually printed a 20-day closing high, which many traders miss until it's obvious. The clear reason in the data is that HCL Technologies recorded a 20-day closing high breakout, and the shorter EMA9 at 1386 rupees has just crossed above EMA20 at 1382 rupees, a bullish crossover signaling fresh short-term buying. RSI at 72.2 is overbought, so expect some profit-taking if momentum cools. What to watch tomorrow? Monitor whether the stock holds above support at 1350 rupees and whether volume sustains above the 20-day average. A rejection below 1350 rupees would undo the breakout, while continued strength toward resistance at 1502 rupees confirms follow-through. Stay tuned as we move to another heavyweight tech name. WIPRO opened at 197 rupees 01 and closed at 204 rupees 72, up 3.77% from a previous close of 197 rupees 29, with an intraday high of 205 rupees 27 and low at the open level 197 rupees 01. Curiosity. The stock rallied nearly to intraday resistance without a clear news trigger that's often driven by short-term positioning. There's no clear trigger identified today in the provided data, but technicals show mixed signals. RSI at 71.7 flags overbought conditions, and yet EMA9 at 195 rupees remains slightly below EMA20 at 196 rupees, so the short-term trend HCLTECH flipped bullish on moving averages. Volume at 1.37, the 20-day average shows above normal interest, which could be momentum chasing. What to watch tomorrow? Resistance sits at 205 rupees, a clean close above 205 rupees on strong volume would suggest continuation. Failure to hold above support at 199 rupees could invite profit booking given the overbought RSI. Next, let us look at INFY's and whether it mirrors HCL's breakout pattern. INFY's opened at 1302 rupees 0 and finished at 1339 rupees 4, up 2.54% from a previous close of 1306 rupees 2, trading between 1293 rupees 5 and 1345 rupees 1 intraday. Curiosity. Like HCL Technologies, INFY's also breached a 20-day closing high today. Two major IT names making similar moves is not coincidence. The clear reason in the data is the 20-day closing high breakout, which put the stock into price discovery territory. RSI at 71 shows overbought conditions, and EMA9 at 1292 rupees is still marginally below EMA20 at 1293 rupees, so moving averages haven't fully confirmed the breakout yet. What to watch tomorrow? Watch whether INFYs can clear resistance at 1402 rupees on stronger volume. Failure to hold above support at 1290 rupees could quickly pull the stock back to the moving averages. That sets up tomorrow's battle between momentum and the moving average guardrails. Today's theme was selective strength in IT. HCL Technologies and INFYs printed 20-day closing high breakouts, while WIPRO rallied more on positioning than a clear trigger. The market index gained modestly, but technicals leave room for both follow-through and short-term profit-taking. Top 2 things to watch tomorrow. 1. Whether HCL Technologies and INFYs sustain their breakouts with higher volume and clear closes above resistance levels. And 2. Whether WIPRO can close decisively above 205 rupees or shows a quick pullback to 199 rupees. If you found this useful, like the video, comment your watchlist stock below and subscribe for daily setups and levels. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.